Okay, something's about to go down here. It's just really gotten windy here in the last like minute. Oh my God, it's windy. Oh my God! Ah! Oh, this is bad, folks. This is bad. I've never seen it this bad. And I'm right on the middle of it. Oh, this is great. I'm not even using my tripod. I'm too excited. Oh. Oh, what is going on here? Oh my God. Guy's alarm went off over there. Oh, my camera's gonna fall. Woo! Definitely something coming. See if I can pan out here. This big picture. Shit, I'm panned out as far as I can go. Something, a tree or something. This tree broke off and hit me. Oh yeah. We're talking storms, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, this is great. This is great. Wind's like 100 miles an hour out there.